CMA groups of school, please come on to the dais. Now I call upon Purnima High School Principal Sir Garu, Purnima High School correspondent. Now I request Geetanjali Sir School Principal Ravi Babu Sir Garu, please, along with the principal sir.
Siyama Model High School Annual Day event.
पंख ही काफ़ी नहीं आसमानों के लिए, पंख ही काफ़ी नहीं आसमानों के लिए, हौसला भी चाहिए ऊंची उड़ानों के लिए। मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जा होती है, मंजिल उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जा होती है। हौसलों पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है। Good evening everyone, I am Nafis Nikat. Welcome you all on the 24th annual day celebration Udan 2023-24 around a unique theme that captures the essence of our institution. This year our theme is Udan. It encapsulates means एक नया सोच to fly beyond fear and the boundaries. It's my immense pleasure to start the auspicious occasion by heartily welcoming everybody. Today we have gathered here for the most awaited event of the year.
I request our dignitaries, please come near for lightning lamp ceremony onto the dais. I request Gopal Reddy Sir Garu, SK Reddy Sir Garu, Nageshwari ma'am, Sandhya Deepam Namostute. Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to commence our event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. This is a symbolic moment that signifies the dispelling of darkness and igniting of thought and enlightenment. It's our honor to invite our dignitaries on stage to do the honor. Light is a symbol of brightness and prosperity as sunlight expels the darkness of might. Similarly, blessings bring in our life prosperity and happiness. To make the event by kindling the lamp of knowledge and wisdom for seeking the choicest blessing for the same, I invite our admired
गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमट्टाय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Welcome speech. I welcome all the parents, students and dignitaries. Today we gathered here for 24th Annual Day celebrations, Udan 2023 and 24. Today we rejoice the past achievement and envision the brighter future. On this occasion, I would like to welcome our Secretary and Correspondent and Chairman of CMR Institute of Medical Sciences, a great visionary leader, a great guide who always motivates us, Mr. Gopal Reddy Sir Garu. I welcome our Director, CMR Group of Schools, Mr. S.K. Reddy Sir. I welcome CMR Model High School, Principal Boyinpalli, Srimati Nageshwari Ma'am. I welcome the remaining school principals. A warm welcome to you all. My heartfelt welcome to all the dignitaries. We all gathered here to motivate and inspire the young minds to showcase the talent. Thank you all. This is Harishankar Kanapati, CMR Model High School Principal. I would like to present the annual report for 2023 and 24. CMR Model High School, Chamakura Mallaridi Model High School, Gajula Ramaram, in 2001 was a new name in the vicinity. Started off with 400 students and 20 teachers and 28 classrooms, now emerged as one of the best and biggest schools in the locality with 51 rooms, over 1,300 students, 57 highly qualified and experienced teachers with 21 non-teaching staff. Academics. Excellence in academics is the hallmark of any school. Our school students made us proud by securing 100% results in SSC 2023 board examination. Our students Suchitra Naidu, Tejasvi Reddy and Spurti Reddy secured 10 by 10 GPA in SSC 2023 and 21 students secured more than 9 GPA. 10th class students adoption. Every 10th handling teacher adopted 10 students of 10th class to guide, supervise and motivate them to excel in their studies. Basic Skills Improvement Program started in 2018 and 19 to improve basic study skills like reading, writing of languages, English, Telugu, Hindi, was appreciated and very much successful. So we continued the program for this academic year. Read Along App, developed by Google, primarily serves as a reading companion for children. It aims to make reading a fun for young learners. Children become self-motivated to read stories every day. Teachers encourage the students by developing competitive spirit, sportiveness with constant supervision. We acknowledge the children's reading skills were improved significantly. Oral reading fluency. ORF was practiced in vacation and supervised by the teachers. Later on, 1-minute reading tests were conducted after giving thorough reading practice, which made the students to improve their oral reading speed stunningly. Prizes were also awarded for the top 3 students in each section. We would continue the same in all vacations. Silver Zone Olympiads. These are the world's largest Olympiads conducted in our school in maths, science, social, English, reasoning, and results are yet to come. Please play the video.
Experience associated with CMR High School. From the bottom of my heart, greetings to all CMR families. I am Samson. My children Josraj and Snikita Dorcas have studied in CMR High School for more than 10 years, and now they are here in America continuing their education in the same pace. It gives me an immense pleasure to share few things about my experience associated with CMR High School. From the bottom of my heart, I appreciate Principal Harishankar sir and the whole staff for their dedicated involvement in molding our children to a sophisticated level. I have to admit that the school conducted all useful activities and encouraged children and the parents with scholastic exams, Olympiad exams, abacus competitions, science exhibition, and many more apart from their regular academic activities. And the time came when COVID-19 entered into Hyderabad. We had a break time for the academics as there were danger bells. Later, school has started the online classes for the children, keeping in mind of their education and future. It was a bit challenging, but it went well with the online classes, which enabled students to proceed further and understand the classes. I myself touch-based the principal and teachers many a times when we had technical issues. Finally, it was a successful implementation. Then, as COVID-19 was slowly vaporing out, the school has started the physical classes with mandatory precautions like wearing masks, social distancing, sanitation, etc., which helped the children to a good health state. And as everything was normal, school has resumed back with the wonderful pace and achieved the goals. I once again thank principal and teachers for their friendliness and understanding the situations and being with us. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Especially teachers in several ways to mention students' engagement challenges, technology disparities, increased workload, personal and professional strain, emotional impact, assessment and evaluation adjustment. Despite these challenges, our teachers, under the guidance of visionary leader, Secretary and Correspondent Mr. Gopal Reddy sir, demonstrated resilience, creativity, commitment in finding innovative ways to connect with the students and deliver consistent quality education during lockdown. Our school is the only one school conducted full-fledged online classes throughout the academic year during the lockdown in the locality. Teachers Empowerment Program. Every teacher is a lifelong learner. Their knowledge has to be updated. As part of teacher empowerment, orientation classes have been conducted for the teachers in the calligraphy, abacus, and Vedic maths. Soft skills and spoken English classes were conducted for 30 days to all the teachers to enrich communication skills. Our teachers are equipped with thorough digital knowledge for unseen circumstances in the future. Parent interaction. So far, 4 parent-teacher meetings and 5 parent interactions have been conducted in our school. For every PTM, suggestions and remarks are being noted and addressed immediately. Regular telephonic conversations, feedback, and follow-ups are made for every student regarding academics. 10th class parent orientation. A hand in hand brings the beautiful sound of appreciation. A parent-teacher coordination and cooperation nurture the talent of every student. 10th class parent orientation is the way to bring the desired result in SSC exams. So we conducted parent orientation program in the month of December. We would conduct such programs whenever we require. Co-curricular activities. On 2nd June, we celebrated Telangana Formation Day. International Yoga Day was celebrated on 21st June 2023 in our school premises. Teachers made the students to perform various asanas. Students learned to improve concentration by meditation and yoga. Elections for school cabinet were conducted on 2nd August 2023, the true democratic way, and the school cabinet members were elected. Founders Memorial Day was observed on August 11, 2023 to commemorate the greatness of late Sri Chamakura Mallareddy Garu. Investiture ceremony of our school cabinet was held on 15th August 2023. The chief guest secretary and correspondent of CMR Group of Schools, Mr. Gopal Reddy sir, hoisted the flag and administered the oath to the student cabinet members and honored them with the badges. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th September 2023. All the teachers were felicitated by our director CMR Group of Institutions, Mr. Srishalam Reddy sir. Bonalu is a traditional festival celebrated in our school on July 15, 2023. The teachers, students brought Bonalu and some of the students mocked in Potharaju costumes. Puja was performed traditionally. Batukama, the floral festival of Telangana, was celebrated in grandeur on October 13, 2023. Many of our students brought Batukamas and teachers performed puja traditionally. Children's Day was celebrated on 14th November. Various competitions and cultural programs were conducted on this occasion. Mathematics Day, celebrated in remembrance of Srinivasa Ramanujan's birth anniversary on 22nd December. Teachers explained the contributions of Srinivasa Ramanujan in the field of mathematics. Students participated actively and presented some of the formulas of Srinivasa Ramanujan and his works. Recreation. Picnics. Students of pre-primary was taken to Plabo. Primary students were taken to Dino World. And students of class 8th to 10th were taken to Escape Waters. Pre-primary celebrations and activities. Bonalu, Friendship Day, Yellow Color Day, Raksha Bandhan, Janmashtami, Clay Molding, Deepavali, Miladul Nabi, Red Color Day, Christmas, Friendship Day, Eco-friendly Ganesha, idol making, a visit to police station, etc. were done. Coming to games and sports. Our school conducted various competitions in games and sports. Prizes were given to the winners. Senior girls participated in the school games in August conducted by School Games Federation of India and got runner-up prize. Seniors boys won the first prize in cricket. Akhil Patan from 10th class selected for district level cricket team. Vaishnavi from 10th selected for district level kabaddi team. Senior girls won first prize in kabaddi in mandal level games conducted by NSUA in the month of December. CMR Chess Grandmaster. A competition was conducted on November 11, 2023 to improve the logical and reasoning skills among the students. Dance and karate. To develop hobby and for self-defense, we conduct dance and karate classes respectively. Sai Varshit and Avinash Reddy from 4th class participated in the national level karate championship conducted at Haridwar, Jharkhand and won bronze medal. Unity in diversity. India is known for it. Our school celebrated all festivals irrespective of religions. We celebrated Ramzan, Bonalu, Batukama, Vinayaka Chavati, Raksha Bandhan, Krishnashtami, Bakrid, Dasara, Diwali and Christmas. Vision. 100% result in SSC 2024. Proficiency of reading, writing and arithmetic skills. Implementation of technology-enabled classroom. And developing excellent communication skills among the students with art of public speaking. Management encouragement. We are fortunate enough to have our management cooperation in all our activities. Above all, we are very fortunate to have a team of highly qualified and committed, dedicated staff. Last but not least, I am thankful to our director, Mr. S.K. Reddy sir, for his valuable guidance and motivation, and Administrative Officer Mr. Satyababu sir for his cooperation and support in conducting all the activities. Once again, I thank the management, teachers and parents for their support and cooperation. Have a wonderful evening. Thank you all.
For your sharing experience.
Opportunity to invite a man whose greatness is not measured by what he has accomplished, but by the works he has done to reach his goals. He is none other than Mr. Sri C. Gopal Reddy Garu, a young visionary secretary and correspondent of CMR Group of Institutions. I request our honorable guest of honor, Mr. Sri C. Gopal Reddy Garu, to address the gathering.
Principal sir from Unique School, please. Correspondent of Unique School, Shivaya Garu, please come on to the dais along with the principal sir. Give them a big round of applause to come on to the dais along with the principal sir.
C.H. Mallareddy Garu, MLA of Medchal constituency, is on his way. Very shortly is going to join. And our guest management members, Janaki Ramu Garu and Rambabu Garu, Shivaya Garu, Varaprasad Garu of various schools management, and our principal Nageshwari Madam, and Director S.K. Reddy Garu, and our Principal Gajul Ramaram Harishankar Garu, parents, teachers and students. A warm welcome to CMR Model High School Gajul Ramaram for 23rd Annual Day celebration of 2024. So I congratulate on this occasion all the students as well as the teachers for celebrating annual day after a long time. Due to Corona, we had 4 years break. So all the students are very enthusiastic for their performances. So I also congratulate all the prize winners of various academic prizes and sports events for the 23-24. So I also welcome all the parents once again. I hope you will enjoy the performance of the students of various events. So I wish you all the best for the 10th class students, those who are appearing for 2024 examination. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for
Thank
sharing
you,
your
sir, for your
experience and enlightening our minds. Now, it's time to cherish our young and talented students of CMR Model High School. So I request my colleague, Miss Monica and Mrs. Hemalata Madam, to take the charge.
Good evening, everyone. Myself, Monica Turpu. I'm here to present you a very important session of today's evening, that is the prize distribution ceremony for session 2023-24. It gives me immense pleasure to host this ceremony that has been observed to commemorate the achievements of our students in various talents like education, sports, co-curricular activities. This is the most awaiting event. It is the time to acknowledge the talent of our very creative buddies. Let's begin with the prize distribution in academic category. Now I request Honorable Sri C.H. Gopal Reddy Garu to distribute the prizes. UKGA. Visual of first A, MD Parents see that tiny toes are so eager and so happy to take awards. Give them big round of applause. And the next category of grade first Syed Sulaiman Ali of nursery, second prize. And now Abdul Rahman of LKG, first standard. Hiba Naz of LKG second, Safika Reenam of UKG first, Hanan Hamad of UKG second, Syed Tausif of grade first, John Samuel of first class, Surab of second,
Thank you, Gopal Reddy sir. Now I request SK Reddy sir to present the award.
Followed by the next category, 100% attendance. Saqib Hamza of LKG. Moving to the next co-curricular activities, drawing. Now I request Janaki Ram Garu to distribute the award.
Now drawing sir, drawing.
Thank you, SK Reddy sir Garu. Moving to the next sport category, Abdul Malik of grade 2nd B, Anup Gaud of grade 3rd B, Ayan Qureshi of grade 4th B, Angad Singh of grade 5th C. Clap for their wonderful achievements. And girls, Mehnaz of 1st C, Faria Bingham of 2nd A, Nanpreet Kaur of 3rd C, Manvita of 4th B, Mahvish of 5th B. Parents, I request you to please give them big applause.
Chairperson Shivai Garu. Janaki Ram Garu. Thank you sir, Janaki Ram Garu.
Thank you, Janaki Ram sir Garu. Followed by the category running race. M. Avinash of grade 1st A, K. Mokshit of 2nd grade, Willow Gaud of grade 3, Hitendra Sai of 4th C, Bharat of 5th A, Dharmatej of 6th B, Mahesh Nayak of 7th A, Dinesh Kumar of 8th C, Shriman Yadav of 9th B, Salman of grade 10th C. Girls, Dhrutika of 1st C, Fehmida Kaur of 2nd A, Sadia of 3rd C, Akila of grade 4th, Janvi Tuljasri of grade 5, please give our talented students a huge round of applause. And moving to Shalini Singh of grade 6th B, Madhusri of grade 7th C, Raushan of grade 8th B, Nandini Kachava of 9th C, Sayesta of grade 10 A. And now request Varaprasad Garu to distribute the awards. Followed by the next category chess, Venkat Sadvik K of grade 6th B, Mohammad Ataullah of grade 7th B, Pranav Sai of grade 8th C, Shriman of grade 9th B, S. Vardhan of 10th A. Congrats on your well-deserved award. Next, I would call upon the winner of trophy in Kho goes to Sadia Nazar, captain of the team. Come on the stage along with your team. Followed by the next winner of Coco Boys Junior, Hello Sakshit Reddy, captain of the team. Parents, please give them a thunder of claps. And next followed by Coco Boys Senior, Hello House. T. Vishnu, captain of the team. Please give them a big round of applause to all the awardees. Now I request Gopal Reddy sir to distribute the next category. Next category, Kabaddi Girls from Hello House. B. Vaishnavi, captain. Students, parents, please put your hands and congratulate our winners. And next, Kabaddi Boys Seniors Blue House, Mohammad Rehan, captain of the team. Coco team, boys, junior, Sakshit Reddy and team.
Give them a big round of applause.
Thank you, sir. And the next category, Sohail Patan, captain of the team. Captain of the team. Nageshwari ma'am, please distribute the awards. Greenhouse, Akil Patan, captain of the team. Oh, now next give them a big round of applause. Thank you.
Wow, that was a fantastic performance. It seems like we have some future superstars among us. Give them a big round of applause.
singer.
सुनो everybody मेरे पास आओ I'm so lazy मुझे नचाओ beat बजाओ शोर मचाओ twinkle twinkle मेरे साथ गाओ
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. Humpty Dumpty had a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't put Humpty together again. Kotarata puko two legs dance, so two more two. Kotarata puko two legs dance, so two more two. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that the Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Kotarata puko two legs dance, so two more two. Kotarata puko two legs dance, so two more two. Yo, honey singer, back in the song.
सुनो everybody मेरे पास आओ I'm so lazy मुझे नचाओ beat बजाओ शोर मचाओ twinkle twinkle मेरे साथ गाओ मैं कैसे नाचूं you know me तेरे dance moves just show me with this beat I'm romancing you're your honey singer I feel like dancing
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth, ha ha ha. Ringa, roses, pocket full of poses. Ha ha, we all fall down. Got a right up, who got two legs dance, so who got two? Got a right up, who got two legs dance, so who got two? Got a right up, who got two legs dance, so who got two?
Yo DSP big shout out
Yeah, dear audience, is it an awesome performance? Then give them a big round of applause. I would like to extend my hearty welcome to our honorable chief guest of the event, Mr. Sri C.H. Mallareddy Garu, member of Telangana Legislative Assembly, founder chairman of Mallareddy Group of Institutions and CMR Group of Institutions, for attending our annual day event in their busy schedule.
అయ్యో నీకు తెలీదా సిఎంఆర్ స్కూల్ 24వ వార్షికోత్సవం జరుగుతున్నది.
అయితే మనం కూడా వెళ్ళి ఆ సంబరాలను చూసి ఆనందిద్దాం.
సరే పద పద. మన 8, 9 తరగతి విద్యార్థులు డమడమ డమడమ డమరుక నాదంతో
నటరాజ విన్యాసాలతో స్వాగతం పలుకుతారట.
కైలాస పర్వతంలోని శివతాండవాన్ని
మన కళ్ళ ముందుంచబోతున్నారు.
హరహర శంభు అంటూ
మన హృదయాలను పొంగించే నాట్యాన్ని
మన కళ్ళ ముందు ప్రదర్శించబోతున్నారు.
ఈ స్వాగత నాట్యాన్ని తనివి తీరా తిలకించి
ఆనందించి
మైమరచి
మా పిల్లలను
మనసారా
అభినందించవలసిందిగా మిమ్మల్ని కోరుచున్నాము.
2, 1.
శంకరాచార్య విరచిత కాలభైరవాష్టకం. शिव शिवं शिवं जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्पनिर्जरी विलोलवीचिवल्लरी विराजमानमोदरी तगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटकट्टभावकै किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रदक्षिणं मम धराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी विलासबन्धुबन्धुरा स्फुरद्दिगन्तसन्तति प्रमोदमानमानसे कृपाकटाक्षतोरणी निरुद्धदुर्धरापदि क्वचिद्दिगम्बरे मनोविनोदमेतुवस्मि जटाभुजङ्गपिङ्गळस्फुरत्फणामणिप्रभाकदम्बकुङ्कुमद्रवप्रलिप्तदिग्वधूमुखे मदान्तसिन्दुरस्फुरत्पदुत्तरीयमेतुरे मनोविनोदमद्भुतं विपत्तु भूतकर्तरी ॐ नमः शिवाय सदाशिवं भजाम्यहं सदाशिवं भजाम्यहम् ॐ नमः शिवाय सहस्रलोचन प्रवृत्य शेषलेखशेखरं रसूलतूलितोरणि वितोसराङ्घ्रिपीठं भुजङ्गराजमालया निबद्धजाटचूटक श्रियै चिराय जायतां चकोरबन्धुशेखर ललाटजन्मरज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जय स्फुलिङ्गभाविगीतपञ्चसायकं नवन्निलिम्पनायकं सुधामयूखलेखया विराजमानुशेखरं महाकपालि सम्पदे शिरोजटानमस्कुता करालभालभट्टिका दगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलद्धनञ्जयाहुतीकृतप्रचण्डमञ्चसायके हराधरेन्द्रनन्दिनी कुचाग्रचित्रपत्रकार कल्पनैकशिल्पिनी त्रिलोचने रतिर्मम दहीनमेघमण्डली निरुद्धदुर्धरस्फुरद्भूनिशीतिनी तमप्रबन्धबद्धकन्दर निलिम्बनिर्झरीधरस्तनोतु कृत्तिसिन्धुर कलानिधानबन्धुर श्रियं जगद्गुर
For the graceful performance, audience, please give them a big round of applause.
కోకిల అరుస్తుంది. కోకిల కదరా మీ అయ్యా, పోయి కాకు పో.
రేయ్, ఈ టైంలో ఎవరు అడవి చీకటి ఇలా కూర్చుంది?
ఆయన ఈ అడవిలో ఒంటరిగా కూర్చొని ఎందుకు ఏడుస్తున్నావు? నీకు ఏమైందిరా?
నాకు ఆ వరాహ భూతకొల శక్తి కావాలి.
అయ్యో, నా బిడ్డకు ఏదో పిశాచో ఆత్మ పట్టుకుంది. నా బిడ్డని ఇంకా మా పంజర్లి దేవుడే కాపాడాలి.
వెలుగు వెలుగులో కంటికి అంతా కనబడుతుంది, కానీ అది వెలుగు కాదు, దర్శనం. గతంలో జరిగింది, తర్వాత జరగబోయేదాన్ని అంతా చూపిస్తుందా వెలుగు? కనబడుతుందా?
మనసుగా అడుగుతున్నాను, మీ దైవాన్ని నాకివ్వండి.
దైవం కావాలరా నీకు? పంజుర్ల దైవం కావాలరా నీకు?
పరస్మిత వదనం వజ్రదంతధర రక్షాకవచం.
ఒక ఊరిలో ఒక రాజు ఉండేవాడంట. అతను ఏదో ఒక రాయి కోసం విశాలమైన భూమిని తన ఊరి వాళ్ళకి ఇచ్చేశాడు.
ಕೇಳುವಂತ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಆದ್ರೂ ಉಳಿದಿದೆಯಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿನಾರೆ?
పంజుర్లి, ప్రస్తుతానికి నేను అడగటానికి ఏమీ లేదు.
అసలు ఈ వరాహ బోధకొల అంటే ఏంట్రా?
నీకు తెలియదా? అయితే చెప్తా విను. తాను ఎంతగానో ప్రేమించిన పంది చనిపోవడంతో పార్వతీదేవి ఎంతో శోకించింది. ఆ పందిని తిరిగి బ్రతికించమని కోరింది. సతీ కోరికను మన్నించిన శివుడు ఆ అడవి పందికి తిరిగి ప్రాణం పోసి దానికి కొన్ని దైవశక్తులు ఇచ్చి తిరిగి కన్నడ కోస్తాకి పంపించడం జరిగింది. అప్పటి నుండి తులు ప్రజలు ఆ అడవి పందిని పంజుర్లి అనే పేరుతో కొలుస్తూ భక్తి శ్రద్ధలతో భూతకొలల ద్వారా పూజించడం జరిగింది.
వరాహ బోధకొల అంటే ఇంత చరిత్ర ఉందా? నీకు కావాల్సింది నా శక్తి కాదు, నువ్వు ఒక స్త్రీ. అసలు నీలో ఉన్న ఆవేదన ఏంటి?
చేతులు జోడించి వేడుకుంటున్నాను. అంతకంటే ముందు నేను జమీందారుని ఒకే ఒక ప్రశ్న అడగాలి. ఆయన ఇక్కడికి రమ్మనండి. నేను అడగాల్సిన ఒక ప్రశ్న ఉంది.
అయ్యా మీరు బయటికి వదలమని చెప్తుంటే వదలండి. ఇంత జరిగాక ఏంటి ఏం అడగాలి?
భూతకాల శక్తి కోసం నన్ను నా బిడ్డని బలిస్తావా? నిన్ను చంపడానికి ప్రేతాత్మనే తిరిగి వచ్చా.
ಈ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕರ್ಮಲು ಬರಕು ನಿನ್ನನೆ ತೆರಳ ಪತ್ಪಲ ರೂಪುಡು ದರ್ಬಾರ ಹೊರಿಪಾವೆ.
Completed 20 years, 10 years, please come on the dais. Anuradha madam, I request Anvi Leena ma'am, office assistant, who rendered their service since 20 years for the tremendous amount of patience and hard work with CMR Model School, followed by Rajita Devi teacher. Rajita Devi teacher, a very hard-working and dedicated teacher working since 13 years with our CMR school model, followed by A. Mallikarjun sir, who has been working enthusiastically since 11 years through his calculations in a successive way to reach in the mind of the students. P. Mary Sulochana teacher, Teroja teacher, Vishali teacher, Radhika teacher, Yashoda teacher, who has been working in our esteemed institution with a lot of dedication, sincerity, commitment and loyalty for the past 11 years with our CMR school. Audience, please give a huge round of applause to them. Your motivation is inspiration for them, everyone. Followed by Sri Ram Swarupayama. She rendered her service since 2001 and the most dedicated senior most time of her school. Parents, please give a round of huge applause. I would like to extend my heartful congratulations to our staff members. Now it's time to acknowledge SSC batch. A proud of especially grade 10 for achievers to the crown of our school. Tejashwi Reddy, Spurti Reddy, Suchitra Naidu. Parents, please give a huge round of applause. There is no clapping here, please. Yes, audience, show your energy. Yes, that's a spirit. Along with their parents. Audience, please give a huge round of applause, please. I request Malla Reddy sir to speak few words on this occasion.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. 24 years సిఎంఆర్ స్కూల్ యాన్యువల్ డే సందర్భంగా మీ అందరికీ కూడా శుభాకాంక్షలు, ధన్యవాదాలు. అదే మాదిరిగా సిఎంఆర్ స్కూల్ సెక్రటరీ మా గోపాల్ రెడ్డి, మా తమ్ముడు, అదే మాదిరిగా డైరెక్టర్ సూరారం మెడికల్ కాలేజ్ హాస్పిటల్ చైర్మన్ డాక్టర్ భద్రారెడ్డి, ఆయన ఎవరు? నా కొడుకు. అదే మాదిరిగా ప్రిన్సిపల్ హరిశంకర్, సత్యబాబు అడ్మినిస్ట్రేటర్, మా శివయ్య గారు, మా రాంబాబు గారు, జానకిరామ్ గారు, వరప్రసాద్ గారు, మహేష్ బాబు గారు, శ్రీనివాస్ గౌడ్ గారు, రవి గారు, రాహుల్ శేషగిరి గారి కొడుకు అబ్బాయి. అదే మాదిరిగా మా టీచర్స్, మా పేరెంట్స్, మా స్టూడెంట్స్, మా ప్రిన్సిపల్స్, మా ఎస్కే రెడ్డి గారు, మిగతా అందరు కూడా, మా స్టూడెంట్స్ అందరు కూడా పేరు పేరున నా నమస్కారం. ఈరోజు 24 సంవత్సరాలు అయింది స్కూల్ పెట్టి ఎంతోమంది ఇంజనీర్లను, డాక్టర్లను తయారు చేసినాం. నా కోసం అయితే తెలుసు కదా మీకు, నేను పాలమ్మినా, పువ్వులమ్మినా, బోర్వెల్ నడిపించినా, కాలేజీలు పెట్టినా, కష్టపడ్డా, సక్సెస్ అయినా. मैं एक दूध वाला था. मैं 47 इयर्स पहले मैं एक साइकिल पे दूध मारता था. बोइनपल्ली से मैं बोइनपल्ली में रहता हूं. वो दूध वाला आज कौन सा आदमी बन गया मालूम है? वही मल्ला रेड्डी है जो साइकिल में दूध मारता था ना. वो आज वो मल्ला रेड्डी, ये मल्ला रेड्डी, वो एक ही है, एक ही है. నేను 47 సంవత్సరాల సంధి ఒక పాలమ్ముతూ ఈరోజు ఒక ఎంపీ అయినా, ఒక ఎమ్మెల్యే అయినా, మినిస్టర్ అయినా, మళ్ళా ఇప్పుడు ఎమ్మెల్యే అయినా. मरी मेडिकल कॉलेज लगाया. तेलंगाना में नंबर 1 मेडिकल कॉलेज किसका है? मल्ला रेड्डी. वो भी सूरारम का है. नंबर 1 इंजीनियरिंग यूनिवर्सिटी किसका है? मल्ला रेड्डी. अब देखो, एक दूध वाला इतना बड़ा इंस्टीट्यूशन 500 एकर्स में, मेडिकल कॉलेजेस, हॉस्पिटल्स, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस, सीबीएसई स्कूल्स, इतना बड़ा आदमी, एक छोटा आदमी, एक दूध वाला आज इतना बड़ा आदमी कैसा बना? कैसा बना? कोई जादू तो नहीं करा ना? मैं तो कोई बाबा नहीं है ना. मेरे को कोई फॉरेन फंड्स नहीं आया ना. मैं यही दूध बेचा, बोरवेल बेचा, फूल बेचा, स्कूल लगाया, मेडिकल कॉलेज लगाया, इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज लगाया, एमपी बना, मिनिस्टर बना, फिर एमएलए बना. देखो, एक आदमी 40 साल में कहां से कहां तक आ गया. कैसा आया? कैसा आया? जादू तो नहीं करा ना. मैं आपको एक ही बात बता रहा हूं, ये सब हर आदमी किस्मत किधर रहता, किस्मत किधर रहता, किधर भी बिकता नहीं किस्मत, किधर भी मिलता नहीं किस्मत. किस्मत जो है अपने हाथ में रहता, हाथ में रहता. भगवान अल्लाह किधर रहता, किधर रहता? अपना अंदर रहता, किधर भी नहीं है. इसलिए मेरे को मॉडल देखो, मैं जितना काम करे तो इतना सक्सेस हुआ. मैं कोई जादू नहीं करा. मामूली सिंपल आदमी है. सिंपल लिविंग, लो प्रोफाइल, हाई थिंकिंग. वो मल्ला रेड्डी है. मैं रोज 1000 आदमी को सूरारम हॉस्पिटल में हमारा बेटा डॉक्टर फ्री में ट्रीटमेंट का देखता, फ्री में इंजेक्शन दवा देता, फ्री में ऑपरेशंस करते हम रोज 1000 आदमी को. हम लोग एक ही है, अच्छा बच्चों को पढ़ाना, उसका अच्छा जिंदगी बनाना, टॉप डॉक्टर्स बनाना, टॉप इंजीनियर्स बनाना, टॉप साइंटिस्ट बनाना. वही मेरा काम है, वही मेरा काम है. आप लोगों को एक ही बात बताता हूं, आपका बच्चों को मेरा सक्सेस कैसा हुआ, इतना बड़ा आदमी कैसा बना, वो भी बताता हूं आपको। एक ही है आपको, डिसिप्लिन में रहना, रेस्पेक्ट में रहना और हार्ड वर्क करना, प्लानिंग करना। जब भी आदमी सक्सेस होता है, जब भी आदमी सक्सेस होता है। डिसिप्लिन, रेस्पेक्ट, हार्ड वर्क, प्लानिंग, होमवर्क, ये 4 रहे तो बस है, गारंटी मेरा जैसा बनता। हर आदमी मल्ला रेड्डी बन सकता है। आजकल जमाना टेक्नोलॉजी जमाना है। आपका बच्चों को मैं एक ही बात बता रहा हूं, आप लोग पूरा एवरेज मिडिल क्लास लोग हैं, कुछ नहीं समझना, मैं खुला खुला बोल देता हूं। लेकिन आप लोगों का बच्चे बहुत तेज रहता, आप लोग पूरा टेक्नोलॉजी बच्चे, आप लोग आजकल का बच्चे पूरा टीचर से भी ज्यादा स्मार्ट रहता आजकल का बच्चा। क्यों बोले तो मैं क्या आपको एक एग्जांपल भी देता हूं। मेरा पोता रहता, वो 6 साल का है, 6 साल का, उन्हें सेलफोन दिए तो ही खाना खा रहा, सेलफोन दिए तो ही सो रहा। सेलफोन में कितना गेम्स है, ऐसा आसान से निकाल देता, अपन भी नहीं निकाल सकते, उतना इजी निकाल सकता। क्यों बोला तो उसका ब्रेन इतना फास्ट काम कर रहा, अपना ब्रेन से भी उसका ब्रेन फास्ट काम कर रहा। इसलिए बच्चों का सामने अपन बुरा काम करे, बुरा बात बोले, झूठ बात बोले, कुछ भी ऐसा करे तो वही सीखता, वही करता। जो माँ बाप करता, जो माँ बाप का आदत है, वही बेटों को आता, बच्चों को आता। इसलिए आप भी सिस्टम में रहना, डिसिप्लिन में रहना। अपना बच्चों का भविष्य बहुत अच्छा है, वर्ल्ड पूरा अपने को देख रहे, अपन का बच्चों को टेक्नोलॉजी अच्छा है, अकल अच्छा है, మంచి తెలివిపరులు, మంచి పిల్లలు, మన పిల్లలు ఆనిముత్యాలు, ప్రపంచమంతా మన పిల్లల్నే చూస్తుంది. మన పిల్లలకు మంచిగా చదివిస్తే మామూలుగా కాదు, ప్రపంచంలో అంతా గొప్పలే అవుతారు, మన పిల్లలే అవుతారు, మనకే అవకాశం ఉంది. ना अब मेरा जमाने में मैं दूध बेचा, फूल बेचा, स्कूल लगाया, स्कूल कॉलेज लगाया। अभी जमाना में स्कूल कोई मैन्युफैक्चर करने का नहीं है, कोई बड़ा आदमी बन रहे तो स्कूल चला का नहीं है। आजकल पूरा जमाना टेक्नोलॉजी जमा है ना। टेक्नोलॉजी बोले तो प्रपंच में वर्ल्ड में बिलियनर्स कौन है? जो टेक्नोलॉजी का काम कर रहा है वही बिलियनर्स है। जैसा एप्पल, गूगल, फेसबुक, अमेजोन, ये लोग कुछ मैन्युफैक्चर नहीं करते, कुछ तैयार नहीं करते, मेरा जैसा स्कूल नहीं चलाते। उन्हें सिर्फ गूगल वाला क्या करता, गूगल में आपका पूरा डाटा गैदर करता, पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन डाटा गैदर करता। अभी समझो इंफॉर्मेशन मतलब गूगल का काम क्या है बोले तो मैं सुबह से किधर से किधर घुमा, मैं सेलफोन में कितना देर बात करा, किससे बात करा, वो पूरा इंफॉर्मेशन गूगल में रहता। वही इंफॉर्मेशन है गूगल वाला कमाने, उसका काम ही इंफॉर्मेशन गैदर करना। अभी समझो एप्पल फोन है, एप्पल वाले का क्या काम है, 5-6 हजार में तैयार होता अपना फोन, उसको कितने में बेचता, 1,30,000 में बेचता एप्पल फोन। कई को बिकते, अपन ही लाइन लग के खरीदते, अपन कई को बेचता, उन्हें कैसा बेचता, उसमें क्या करता, 2G, 3G, 4G, 5G टेक्नोलॉजी डालता और 1G ऐड करता, 10,000 बढ़ाता। सिर्फ टेक्नोलॉजी है, टेक्नोलॉजी। अपने बच्चे पूरा वही काम करने वाला है, वही काम करने को जा रहा है, वर्ल्ड पूरा यही काम कर रहे हैं। इसलिए मैं बोल रहा हूँ आपका बच्चों को बहुत अच्छा भविष्य है, बहुत बड़ा फ्यूचर है, अच्छा అవకాశం है, మంచి మంచి అవకాశాలు ఉన్నాయి, గొప్ప గొప్ప ఛాన్సులు ఉన్నాయి మన పిల్లలకు స్కై లిమిట్. మనం ఇప్పటి సంది మన పిల్లలను మంచిగా చదివించుకుంటే ప్రపంచంలో మనకున్న పిల్లలకున్న తెలివితేటలు ఎవరికి లేవు, किसी को भी नहीं है अपना जैसा अकाल, अपना जैसा दिमाग। मैं एक दूध वाला इतना बड़ा आदमी बना, फिर आपका बेटा एक इंजीनियर डॉक्टर बनने के बाद बड़ा आदमी टेक्नोलॉजी आदमी बन सकता ना। इसलिए मैं आपको बता रहा हूं हर आदमी का चांस है। कोई वर्ल्ड में पूरे बुढ़े लोग हैं, सीनियर सिटीजन लोग हैं, यंग इंजीनियर्स, यंग डॉक्टर्स किधर भी नहीं है वर्ल्ड में, पूरा अपना तेलंगाना में, अपना इंडिया में ही है। अपने कोई पूरा चांसेस है, अपने कोई पूरा अपना हाथ में ही है पूरा वर्ल्ड। इसलिए मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ, आप लोगों का बच्चों को अच्छा पढ़ाओ, अच्छा पढ़ाए तो उन्हें दुनिया में बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन सकता। మీ అందరు కూడా ఒకటే విషయం చెప్తున్నా, పిల్లలను కష్టపడి చదివియండి, మంచిగా చదివియండి. నేను మంచి డాక్టర్లను తయారు చేస్తున్నా, మంచి ఇంజనీర్లను తయారు చేస్తున్నా, మంచి సైంటిస్టులను తయారు చేస్తున్నా, फार्मासिस्टలను తయారు చేస్తున్నా. నా తానా అక్కడ మైసమ్మగూడ में गुंडला पोचमल्ली में 65,000 इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ता, 65,000 बच्चे। मेरे पास टीचर्स कितना है मालूम है? 10,000 टीचर्स है पढ़ाने वाला। 10,000 टीचर्स, एमटेक टीचर्स है मेरे पास। इतना लोगों को मैं उपाधि देता हूँ। ये मल्लारेड्डी है। आप लोगों का भी बच्चों का भविष्य अच्छा है। आप लोग भी काम करना, मेहनत करना, हार्ड वर्क करे तो ये आदमी सक्सेस होता, काली पीली नहीं होता। आपका बच्चों को अच्छा पढ़ाओ, अच्छा भविष्य है, बहुत बड़ा आदमी बनता। आप लोगों का बच्चों का मैं अंदर కూడా ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్. నేను అందరు కూడా ఆశీర్వాదం ఇస్తున్నా. మన పిల్లలందరూ కూడా గొప్పలు కావాలి, మంచిగా చదువుకోవాలని కోరుకుంటున్నా. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్.